Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we take a look at one of America's most aggressive muscle machines, the 2026 Camaro ZL1. A car built for raw power, bold design, and a driving experience that delivers pure adrenaline. Right from the first glance, the 2026 ZL1 stands out with its menacing presence. The widened stance, redesigned LED headlights, and deep front grille give it an unmistakably fierce look. Aerodynamic enhancements, sculpted lines, and a muscular hood make the ZL1 feel like a street-ready track weapon. Under the hood, Chevrolet equips the ZL1 with an updated supercharged V8 engineered for brutal acceleration and unstoppable performance. The throttle response is instant, the torque hits hard, and the ZL1 roars with the intensity muscle car fans live for. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between performance and comfort. You'll find supportive sports seats, premium materials, and a cockpit focused on the driver. Digital displays, performance metrics, and an upgraded infotainment system keep everything sharp and modern. Technology includes wireless connectivity, premium audio, and advanced safety assists. From launch control to selectable driving modes, the ZL1 is equipped with features that enhance both everyday usability and track day excitement. On the road, the 2026 Camaro ZL1 delivers razor-sharp handling. The adaptive suspension, responsive steering, and improved braking system give it incredible control at high speeds. Every corner feels precise, every straight line run feels explosive. It's a car that thrives on performance. The 2026 Camaro ZL1 is the ultimate expression of modern American muscle. Powerful, aggressive, and engineered to dominate the road. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more high-performance reviews and automotive excellence.